Hello and welcome to UnlockLife, a world where every senior feels independent and confident. You are listening to our Take It Easy series. Our seniors ask us many technology related questions and we love answering them. When they feel confident about using technology, we feel the happiest. That's why we thought of sharing it with all the seniors who wish to be independent and confident. We hope you like it. In this episode, let's see how to send voice notes in WhatsApp. Voice notes are short recordings of messages in your own voice. Open the WhatsApp chat of the contact you want to send a voice note to. Find the microphone icon on the bottom right corner. It looks like a mic. Tap and hold it. You can slide it up to fix it in order to avoid sending an incomplete message by mistake. Now, speak your message. You can pause and restart it. You can delete by clicking on the dustbin icon or swiping it to the left. If you are sending private messages, you can select the View One Time Only option, and after your contact hears it, it will automatically get deleted. You can tap on the arrow to send the message. For one-time view messages, you will not be able to hear your own message. But for other messages, you can hear your message and also see if your contact has heard it. This may not be available if read receipts in the privacy setting of WhatsApp are turned off for you or for your contact. Now you can confidently and easily send voice notes to your loved ones, because voice notes are an easier and a faster way of communication. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. If you have more questions, please tell us in the comments and we will answer it. We are eagerly waiting to get your blessings and feedback. You can call us on 98989 58411 or WhatsApp us on the same number. Thank you and see you again soon.